Hello folks, I'm doing a fast one because last couple days I've been kind of busy and something's coming up. I have a lot of church matters I gotta do, so videos are going to be sporadic on and off. This is explanation. I hope everybody be watching these channels. Okay, Cammpatton's Family Compound, Corsair Trainers, check out all his old videos, Old School Prepper, Palmetto Prepared, The Ungrateful Peasant, Gray Man Prepping, that's Gil's other channel, and Garden State Gardener on Sunday. Now, if you can see that. Now, me and Heidi from Disable and Prepping were discussing politely about electric canners. I have to warn people, this is very important. Electric can openers have not been approved for canning. So if you're going to can, fine. That's your own risk. These are not approved. Now, a lot of people says, but it has a mark by United Underwood Labs. No, that's a fake mark. Chinese products always have fake verification marks on it. And a lot of the electric canners do not been approved by any government agency. Remember, they used to do fake markings on a lot of things, like the old Chinese pistols, in the 30s and 40s. They had a lot of fake proof marks. A lot of these products from China have fake proof marks. That's why a lot of things blow up, a lot of things catch on fire, and we just have recently in our area a massive apartment fire because somebody used the Instant Pot for canning. Not cooking, canning, and it blew up. And now 10 families are being displaced from that apartment fire from one Instapot. It was an expensive one too. So I'm kind of leery on everybody saying the benefits of these electric canners. They have not been government ascension. And a lot of these companies quickly changed their name once an incident like it caught on fire or blew up. Because if you look for the same canner from 2 years ago, you won't find it. Oh, we just improved it. No, they don't. They changed the name of the company so they don't get sued by the people. Their house burned down. Food poisoning of the people who followed their direction and died. Okay, so you got to be suspicious of the electric canners. They need a lot of improvement. I see a lot of beneficials out of it. Unfortunately, they're not made in the United States. They're not UAL certified, Underwriters Laboratory, not certified by the Food and Drug Administration. Food and Drug Administration has 15 warrants and lawsuits against these companies for misrepresentation, filing a fake federal claim. That's approved by the Food and Drug Administration and had a fake little seal. That company is facing 5 years in fines and internment, but they're overseas in China. So they're getting all the idiots who sponsored it in America. So I do warn people, don't trust the cover of the book. Do your research inside, check it out. If you do use electric canner, write it down, check the temperature, make sure the pressure is holding. Because I got reports that people state the pressure drops too quickly. That's bad. Sorry. That's bad for you, people. If the pressure drops too quickly, and this happened in high altitudes in the mountains, where they finally saw pressure dropping too quickly, and it's supposed to stay at a certain time limit. So you kill all the virus and bacteria inside the food. I hear reports that some of the food they tried turned black in the pint jars. I always tell people, try it in a pint jar first. See how it works, smell, taste, everything. If you're suspicious, take it to a lab. I did one thing in canning Instapot. I got rid of it. It went to donation. It was an expensive one. But I don't trust it. if the food turns black on your shelf in 30 days, something wrong with either the can, the lid, or the pressure cooker. Now, I don't have any trouble with traditional pressure cooker. I use it on a gas stove or on a wood fire stove. I'm that old. Okay? I know how to read the gauges, meters, and everything on it. The bells and whistles. That's where that old term came. All the bells and whistles. Okay, and I know how to get the little dial set back in to get refreshing and modernized. They have a company in America that does this. I know several European companies that does this because I could send one of my pots all the way to Germany. They will get it up to par, new seals, everything, and including new rings, whatever, and new gauges. Now, I do warn people this. You have to be careful on electric canners. They only came out 10 years ago. Okay, less than 10 years ago. Because the first one, when it came in the United States, a lot of people got food poisoning and a lot of people had trouble with house fires, overcharging the socket. So, if you use an electric canner, not Instapot. Instapot's a whole different feel. But if you're going to use a canner, be careful. Okay? I'll catch you later, folks. You have a nice day now.